The year is 2030. The air hums with the rhythm of progress. Skyscrapers shimmer like glass circuits, self-driving cars whisper through neon-lit streets, and satellites orbit a planet more connected than ever before. Humanity has crossed a threshold where innovation defines destiny, and technology has become the pulse of civilization itself. From artificial intelligence to quantum computing, from floating cities to neural networks that read emotion, the world has transformed into a digital organism, vast, alive, evolving. But in this new world order, 10 nations stand at the peak of technological mastery, each shaping the future in its own vision. These are not just countries, they are laboratories of tomorrow, forging realities once confined to science fiction. Our story begins in Japan, the architect of precision and imagination. In 2030, Tokyo glows brighter than ever, powered by an AI-managed grid that learns, predicts, and adapts to human behavior. Robots have become companions, not tools. They cook, clean, teach, and comfort. In care homes, humanoid assistants speak gently to the elderly, remembering their stories, understanding their emotions. Trains glide silently at 700 kilometers per hour using quantum levitation, and homes run on sustainable hydrogen energy. The Japanese government's MindNet project allows citizens to control digital systems with brain impulses alone, merging thought and machine into one continuum. The line between technology and spirit blurs as Japan crafts not just innovation, but harmony, a balance between progress and soul. South Korea rises next, a digital utopia of connectivity and consciousness. Seoul in 2030 is not just a city, it's an intelligent entity. The entire urban landscape is synchronized through 7G quantum mesh networks, connecting every building, vehicle, and human heartbeat. Public holograms replace screens. AI translators make languages obsolete. Citizens interact with digital avatars representing real-time data, while drones oversee traffic and environmental safety. The government's Seoul Synapse program has turned governance into predictive intelligence, solving problems before they appear. Here, art meets machine. K-Tech, the new wave after K-pop, merges virtual reality concerts with Neuralink performances. Technology doesn't isolate. It amplifies emotion, creativity, and identity. South Korea has become not just advanced, but self-aware, a nation where data has a soul. Across the Pacific, the United States remains a crucible of radical innovation, decentralized, defiant, and daring. The Silicon Valley of 2030 no longer exists in one place. It lives in the cloud. Startups are born inside the metaverse, run by AI CEOs, funded in real time by decentralized crypto economies. Cities like San Francisco and Austin are powered by fusion reactors that emit no carbon. The American space frontier has reawakened. NASA's Artemis network now links Earth to lunar colonies and the first operational Mars habitat, transmitting terabytes of data across light years in seconds. Yet the most groundbreaking work is happening within the human mind itself. Neuralink-type implants allow instant thought-to-text communication. Medical AI can regenerate damaged neurons. The line between biology and technology fades, giving birth to the transhuman generation. America's strength remains its diversity of dreamers, people who still believe that the impossible just needs better code. China, meanwhile, has become a living supercomputer, a civilization built on algorithmic precision. By 2030, entire cities are governed by artificial intelligence. Mega AIs known as dragon minds manage energy flow, logistics, and social welfare with 99% efficiency. Shenzhen's industrial districts are now completely automated factories, building factories, machines designing machines. China's quantum internet blankets Asia with unbreakable encryption, and its digital Silk Road connects over 50 nations with seamless trade AI. Even social evolution has shifted. Virtual citizens, advanced AI entities, now hold limited civil rights and digital identities. Humanity, in China's vision, isn't just flesh, it's information. The nation has become both creator and caretaker of artificial consciousness, shaping not only the physical world but the digital souls that inhabit it. Germany stands as Europe's brain and conscience. A model of ethical futurism, its industries are now entirely carbon negative. Smart factories powered by green hydrogen produce everything from AI vehicles to zero-waste nanomaterials. Germany's Quantum Transparency Act of 2028 made it the first nation to legally regulate AI ethics, ensuring all systems remain explainable and morally aligned. Berlin, reborn as the Digital Renaissance City, is a fusion of art and algorithm where holographic museums, project living history, and AI curators evolve exhibitions in real time. In education, neural learning pods have replaced classrooms, adapting instantly to each student's cognitive rhythm. Germany proves that innovation doesn't have to cost the planet, it can heal it. Its secret isn't speed but precision, not ambition, but balance. In Southeast Asia, Singapore shines like a gem of digital perfection. The city-state's transformation into Smart Nation 3 is a global marvel. Every street, every tree, every drop of water is connected through the nation's quantum cloud, predicting traffic, weather, and public health in real time. Hospitals identify illnesses before symptoms appear using biometric analytics. Education is hyper-personalized, guided by AI tutors that evolve alongside students. Crime is nearly zero, managed by autonomous drones and predictive surveillance that respects privacy through encrypted systems. The government's Digital Harmony Protocol ensures citizens own and control their data, a rare blend of freedom and technology. Singapore's success lies not in its scale, but its precision. A city where every byte counts, every pixel is purpose. India emerges as a beacon of inclusive innovation. By 2030, it has bridged its once vast digital divide. In rural areas, solar-powered smart villages operate as self-sustaining hubs, connected by blockchain economies and drone logistics. The AI Dharma project has become a global model for ethical artificial intelligence, teaching empathy to machines through real human narratives. India's quantum network links its billion-plus citizens, creating a communication ecosystem faster and fairer than ever before. Bangalore has become the world's neural innovation capital, developing cognitive chips that learn from human emotion. India's strength lies in its philosophy, blending ancient wisdom with futuristic science. Here, progress doesn't erase tradition, it evolves it. The heartbeat of the world's largest democracy now syncs with the pulse of AI. Israel, small in size, but limitless in innovation, leads the world in biotech, defense, and cyber technology. In 2030, it has perfected quantum cybersecurity systems so advanced that breaches are mathematically impossible. Tel Aviv's biotech startups have made immortality a conversation, not a fantasy. Nanobots repair damaged cells, reverse aging, and regenerate tissue in real time. Israel's Project Phoenix, a government-funded initiative, is developing technologies to transfer human consciousness into quantum substrates, effectively digitizing memory. While the world debates ethics, Israel builds the impossible. Its fusion of science, spirituality, and security has made it one of the most technologically mature nations on Earth, a civilization that treats innovation as survival itself. Further north, Sweden quietly leads the world in sustainable futurism. It's not the loudest, but perhaps the wisest. In 2030, Swedish cities function like living organisms, breathing, recycling, regenerating. Smart forests equipped with bioelectric sensors generate renewable energy, while AI waste systems recycle 100% of urban output. Stockholm's transportation runs entirely on fusion microreactors, small, clean, and perpetual. The air feels lighter. The silence feels intelligent. Sweden has integrated technology into nature, not against it. Instead of concrete jungles, they've built digital forests, where drones pollinate crops and homes grow like living trees. The nation's genius isn't in domination, but in coexistence, teaching the world that the future must not just be intelligent, but kind. And finally, the United Arab Emirates, the shimmering frontier of technological wonder. In 2030, Dubai's skyline defies imagination. AI-managed skyscrapers shift design to adjust to sunlight and wind flow. Hover vehicles stream between vertical highways. The Neural Oasis in Abu Dhabi integrates desert ecology with AI networks, a system that harvests solar energy while sustaining native flora through predictive irrigation. The UAE's governance has transformed into algorithmic fairness. AI judges and mediators ensure justice beyond human bias. But beyond the spectacle lies a philosophy: to turn impossibility into beauty. Dubai's spaceport now launches daily interplanetary cargo to lunar colonies. Museums use AI time simulation to recreate history in 3D realism. The desert has become data golden, endless, alive. And so, the world of 2030 breathes connected, aware, electric. 10 nations, each a different reflection of humanity's drive to evolve. Japan teaches us harmony. South Korea, creativity. The United States, ambition. China, precision. Germany, ethics. Singapore, order. India, empathy. Israel, innovation. Sweden, balance. The UAE, vision. Together, they form the living architecture of progress, a symphony of algorithms and emotion, code and conscience. Yet amid all the dazzling light, one truth glows brighter. Technology alone does not define greatness, wisdom does. In this decade, the most powerful nations are not those who control machines, but those who use them to elevate humanity. Every breakthrough carries a question. Will we build a smarter world or simply a faster one? The answer lies not in code, but in character. The future is not somewhere we go. It's something we create. Every time we choose innovation with intention. The Earth spins beneath a new kind of dawn, one illuminated by data, yet grounded in dreams. The next frontier isn't space, or machines, or AI, it's us. Humanity too, connected yet free, digital yet deeply human. The future belongs to those who dare to see beyond screens and circuits, those who imagine what cannot yet be programmed. Future Scope exploring tomorrow, today.